Alright, got a battery post here that I want to replace, or we want to replace. The negative side's already been replaced, and so I took it off. Always take your negative off your battery when you're working on your battery. And this side got a little 10 millimeter right there, and I just hate these things, but you can bear it. It took a while just to get that loose. It's just easier for me, old people, to use that other type. So I've already loosened this, and what I want to do is I want to cut this off. And so I'm going to try to cut it right there. I'm going to try to cut it right there and right there, and put these two together underneath a new one, and then hook it up. See if we can't do that. May have to cut a little at a time because these are pretty thick wires. We'll see. Alright, got it replaced. Now we got two ends that look alike. And I'm not going to hook it up right now because I'm going to hook the battery up while I got it off. But that's how you replace the end of one of them things. Not a real easy task. You really need something bigger than a pair of these little side clippers. And that's all I really got. I got these big ones, but they didn't make a budge in trying to clip the big part. So you really need a little bigger pair of these, or I could have got a Dremel out and just cut them off, but that, it worked out, and now we got a new deal. So if you don't like them little old things like it had, then replace them. Put a good one on there. I guess that's it for now. Y'all take care.